see it.
Come here, sweetie.
I mean...
Wow, good job, Linda. You just figured out you can walk. Here, come here. Come get this guy. Let's see him.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah. Come on. Come on, mommy. Come to mommy.
I can't believe that. Good job, Lou. Lucia.
Lucy.
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 Look at this guy.
Come here.
Lulu.
Lucy.
Like,
Come here,
You're
look at
doing
this
great. Lucy.
guy. I just can't believe she's doing that.
She's totally standing.
no wobbling or anything.
Those are the shoes.
Lulu, come here. You want this guy?
Yeah.
It's going to be a little hard to compete with those flowers over there.
No, seriously. Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's Mama got?
Come here, Lucy. Lucia. She's like, those ones are right here. Lucia. Look what mommy has. Lucia. Lucia, look what mommy has.
Go, sweetie. Let's go see Mama.
You got it, you got it, you got it.
All that stuff. Oh my God.
Lucy just started. Lucy. That's crazy. We were going
She
to show
doesn't-
Daddy a few steps and you just started walking and you're standing up by yourself.
Lou, can I have that?
That is crazy. Wawa, Wawa goes in there. That's right. Wawa.